How to make your account private on Tellonym. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can make account private on Tellonym. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Tellonym application in your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your account. So once you land on your home page, head towards the bottom right corner. There is this profile icon. You have to tap on the profile icon. Here, head towards the top right and tap on the settings icon. Under settings, scroll all the way to the end. Under the other section, there is more. You have to tap on it. And then more settings will be displayed in your interface. Scroll down a bit and head towards the privacy section. Now, in order to make your account private, you have to turn off all this toggle right here. For example, allow anonymous usage statistics. Turn off the toggle. Same with the allow others to find me by phone. You can turn off that. And at last, so active status, turn off that as well. So once you have toggled all the options under privacy, and now your account is private. So that's the way to make your account private on Tellonym, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.